Hi friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Fun Masti. Kids, today we are going to learn one very interesting accessory of the window, that is snipping tool. What is the snipping tool? Any guess? Okay. The snipping tool is a Windows app that lets you create and edit screenshots. There are many ways to open the snipping tool. Maybe the fastest way to launch it is to use search box. In search field from your taskbar, start typing snipping tool and then click or tap on the snipping tool for the result. Or the second option is, as we were doing earlier also, click on the start menu, then all programs, then Windows accessories. Now you can see snipping tool. You need to click it. Now snipping tool window will get opened. Now you will see the snipping tool from Windows 10 has a slightly different user interface than in Windows 7 or Windows 8.1. I mean to say, some students will be having Windows 10 installed on their PC or laptop. Some would be having Windows 7 or Windows 8.1. That is why I am telling you the difference. In Windows 10, the snipping tool has a mode and a delay button that are not found in the snipping tool from Windows 7 or Windows 8.1. That is the difference. Other than that, the snipping tool from Windows 10 is the same as the one in Windows 7 or Windows 8.1. We'll talk about these two small differences along the way. See, this is what the snipping tool looks like in Windows 7. As you can see, the snipping tool from Windows 8.1 looks almost the same as the Windows 7 version, and it's very similar to the one in Windows 10. If you are using Windows 10, the snipping tool Windows has 5 important buttons. That is new, mode, delay, cancel and options. But if you are using Windows 7 or Windows 8.1, the snipping tool lacks the mode and the delay buttons. Now here is what each of the main buttons does. What are their functions? The new button allows you to take a screenshot. If you are using Windows 7 or Windows 8.1, before you actually take the screenshot, new option also lets you select the type of the screenshot that you want to take. The mode button is available only in Windows 10 snipping tool, and its role is to let you choose what type of screenshot you want to take. Essentially, the new and mode buttons from Windows 10 do the same things as the new option from Windows 7 and 8.1 does. It's just that this feature is now split between two buttons instead of only one. Now the delay button is also present only in Windows 10. Its role is to delay the screenshot capture for 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 seconds depending on what you want to choose. Now the cancel button allows you to cancel the current action. The options button allows you to customize different aspects of the application. Now let's see how to use the snipping tool to do what it's supposed to do, how to take screenshots. Now there are 4 types of screen captures available when using the snipping tool. If you are using Windows 10, you can choose which one you want to use by clicking or tapping on the mode button. If you are using Windows 7 or Windows 8.1, you can select the one you want after you click on new option. Now here are your options. The free-form snip enables you to draw an irregular line around an object or area. The rectangular snip allows you to take a screenshot shaped as a rectangle by dragging the cursor around an object. Now the window snip allows you to select a window or dialog box and capture it. Now full screen snip enables you to capture the entire screen like the print screen key. To share an example, let's see how to capture a part of your desktop using free-form snip. Now in Windows 10, click on Mode option and then select Free-form snip. Then click on the New button. But if you are using Windows 7 or Windows 8.1, then again click on New option and then select the Free-form snip from the drop down menu. Now select the area that you want to click and drag your cursor. When you release the mouse button, the captured area is automatically copied to the markup window where you can save or share the screenshot. Now this editing windows offers useful tools for editing the capture you took. For example, if you are not satisfied with the quality of the picture, you can always make a new one using New Snip button. Before saving your screenshot, you can use the pen and highlighter tools to add markup to the capture. The eraser tool removes the marks made with the pen and the highlighter. Now to save the screenshot, press the Save Snip button. Now select the location where you want it to store. Type your file's name and then press Save button. I hope snipping tool is clear for you to take great looking screenshots. Now try it out and see how well Thanks for watching my video. Kindly share, like, comment and subscribe my channel.